Overnight, Martin Shkreli has become social media's latest villain, with name-calling like this. He's suddenly notorious for jacking up the price of one of the world's most essential drugs. The outrage began with this New York Times story, revealing that the former hedge fund manager had bought the rights to the drug Daraprim, used for people with compromised immune systems. He immediately increased the price in the U.S. by 5,000%. As the criticism mounted, he went on TV to attempt damage control and made it worse.
This drug was doing $5 million in revenue, and I don't think you could find a drug company on this planet that can make money on $5 million of revenue.
Now he's become the cocky face of a new trend in the drug industry. Companies buying the rights to establish drugs and raising prices exponentially. At Dalhousie University, Matthew Herder has been researching this trend.
At the time that they make these pricing decisions, it's really not because they have to recoup a lot of costs, it's frankly because they can get away with it. It's that there isn't any real control on the prices they can charge other than what the market will bear.
Daraprim was developed in 1953 by a Nobel Prize-winning scientist. The patent long ago expired, and it's not widely used, but it remains the only FDA-approved treatment for toxoplasmosis, caused by a dangerous parasite that can be deadly for people with cancer and AIDS. A few years ago, Daraprim cost less than $1 a pill. But then the rights to the drug went on the market and flipped like a piece of real estate, changing hands twice this year, most recently just last month, when Shkreli's company bought it and immediately took the price from $13.50 U.S. per pill and raised it to $750 U.S. per pill. By tonight, Shkreli had caved in to all the pressure and said he will lower the price, but he stopped short of setting a new price. It's the second time in 2 days that drug price hikes have sparked public outrage. Yesterday, anger over a 2,000% increase in the price of an important TB drug forced the price back down to $35 a pill, still double what it was selling for in Canada last month. And the whole thing has increased calls for some government oversight on drug pricing. Kelly Crow, CBC News, Toronto.